Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Why not add to all of your favorite bread making days with this gorgeous set? This is from NewEle, and this is an official bread cutting knife as well as an official lame. Both of these tools are really beautiful. They are made from wood and carbon steel, and you can see that the handle on the bread cutter is really easy to work with. What I really love about the bread knife is it slices through bread so easily. You would think from looking at it that maybe each slice would be pretty jagged, but rather all of the slices can be cut to exactly the width that you want. In addition, the knife can also be used to cut cheeses, it could be used to cut vegetables, so it really has a good quality knife on there that's nice and sharp for whatever you need. The lame is also really beautiful. It's completely adjustable and they included extra blades as well. And I have to say I have another lame, but this one is definitely more preferred because, again, because of that beautiful wooden handle, you can get really precise cutting. Both of these tools can make you feel like you're a professional bread maker. I really love the beautiful design on them. You can hang both of them up because they do have a hole at the end, or you can just place them in your bread making area for all of your bread making days. But that's just my point of view.